So guys, I've ordered this vanity bag and it took around 3 days for the bag to finally arrive. I've just opened this. You can see the Amazon packaging and everything. So I just wanted to share my first impressions of the bag with you guys. Look at the color. I'm fascinated with the color itself. And when I was ordering it, I did not find the complete details of what compartments or divisions the bag has. I had to watch a few videos, but I thought it is uh, uh, very good to make another one, so that anyone who's still confused about what this bag has, what this doesn't have, can watch this and order before watch this and order accordingly if you like the details. Okay, so quickly let me show you. This is the first pocket compartment, whatever you want to call it. I think this is more to do with you can probably put your tongue, your straighteners over here. I'm sorry about that. I'll hold it like this and show you. You can, this is what this seems to me is for. Moving on, there is a transparent or a net, a see-through kind of material here, which can definitely help you to look at the products that you want to use. There are so many palettes that you may want to keep here, and you don't want to take them all out and see which one you are going to use. So you can look first and then take out whatever product you want to grab from here. Moving on, there is another compartment here, and this looks so amazing to me, guys. I am really very much fascinated with how this bag came out to be. I think this is a better look view for you from here. So this is another pocket that I have here, and it is extremely spacious till the end. You can see my hand almost goes inside this. And the best part about this bag comes right here. So if you look at this is a velcro is what do we call it, to you can close your brushes like this so that it is not getting in touch with any product, and you can keep them hygienic. This is definitely for placing all your brushes. You can even put your entire brush, like I have a brush set, so you can keep it inside here, or if you want have additional brushes, you want to keep them here, and you want to keep them visibly available whenever you need them. You can definitely use this part of the bag. And here comes the main compartment. So you have this is adjustable compartment. Basis the product size, you can adjust, remove it, and adjust these like this. It can come out easily. Even this is adjustable. So if you see these sections, these will be inserted in the section for you to create the space as you like. I hope this is visible. Yeah, so I think I'm going to keep all most of my stuff will fit in this bag, definitely. And it comes with a sling here. I don't think I'm going to use this much because this has a handle as well, and this will be very handy to carry like this. In case if somebody wants to use the sling, feel free, and it can be attached here. Another good thing about this bag is this, you can slide this part of the bag into your trolley's handle and you can carry it like a pro. I loved how this bag came out to be, and obviously the color is so good, the material is so good. Which brand is this? It is something called Lecopine. I don't know if that's the right pronunciation, but I'm going to add the information here, and it did cost me around 1400 on 100 off, with 100 rupees off or 7% off from Amazon. So definitely guys, people who are aspiring makeup artists or even professionally who are working at a large scale, if you want something which is very handy, you want to carry it for one or two makeups, and you want to carry the important products, you can definitely buy this one. You can have your hair accessories and your tongue, your tools here, and then your makeup, your brushes. I can carry everything that I would like to with this bag. This came out to be amazing. Thank you, Amazon. Guys, please like, comment on this video in case if you want to know anything else, any more information about the bag that I've ordered. Definitely I'll be more than happy to share my the information that is readily available to me. Thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, like the video, subscribe the channel for more videos, and do not forget to press the bell icon and comment and share if you like the video. Thank you.